Good morning, India. My dear brothers and sisters of India, this message is coming to you from village Makodi, district Shajapur, Madhya Pradesh. We have obtained our independence on 15 August 1947 and we have progressed a lot. We have been able to eradicate poverty from India, because the proof of eradication of poverty is this voice. This voice would have not come to you had it still been trapped in the trap of poverty. So I can say that by dint of hard work, it is possible that we can eradicate our poverty. I tell you, no one is coming to save you. No one is coming to eradicate your poverty. You yourself are responsible for your own poverty. You can become prosperous by working hard. You have to inculcate good values in your children. We have to develop such a family in which elders are respected and women are respected. We have to turn the hearts of our children towards good values so that they can become polite, humble and obedient enough. They should be able to do their homework on time. They should go to school on time, obey their teachers and pay their attention in their class what is being taught in their classes. Because without good students, we cannot have good citizens. A good citizenship depends on obedient students of today. If students leave no stone unturned, if they strive their level best, they can change not only the fate of their own families, societies and countries, but they can move mountains, they can move the world. So all eyes are turned at our students. Our students are our hope. They are hope of our tomorrow. The foundation of a strong India is built on the hard work that the students perform. So all my dear students, whatever you are studying, in whichever subjects you are interested in, you must study very hard. If you are prepared to put your shoulders to the wheel, I am prepared to work hard for you. I am going to start one important course of removing your hesitation how to speak English. This is a proof that this video which is coming from village, it has been made possible only by dint of hard work. Had I not worked hard, I would have not been able to speak in English fluently. I have not been educated in any English medium school. I have not been educated in any foreign land. But by dint of hard work, I have learned English by dint of hard work, by my own interest. So, what I want to tell you, it is not important which language we speak. What is important, that it is important we learn new skills. Because without learning new skills, we cannot develop our self-confidence. For sake of developing self-confidence, it is very essential that we should learn new skills so that we can eradicate our poverty. A long time ago, when I began my career, I started it through grazing cattle, buffaloes, cows, in the grazing fields of the landlords, who paid me very little money. I grazed cows and buffaloes for them for years, but I did not get anything. So I thought that what is the point in living this life if I cannot break the chain of slavery? So it is important to break the chain of slavery by working hard. You can remove your poverty, you can eradicate your poverty wherever you are, whatever you are doing, by getting proper education, by providing quality education to your own children. Do not become jealous of anybody's success, but support it. So if you support one man can support 100 men, and 100 men can support 1,000 men, and 1,000 men can support billion men, and poverty can be eradicated. So This is the way how we can eradicate poverty of India. And if India is free from poverty, it can raise its hand with pride and it can say that we are independent people. So let us make India financially independent. Let us make India socially independent. Let us make India politically independent. Let our students, let our children, let our citizens should know that a strong democracy cannot stand independent without having educated citizens. So it is our duty to get our citizens, our children educated so that they can vote the right people and right candidates. Democracy, what do you mean by democracy? A democracy means a government of the people, for the people, by the people.